Until now, there was just one Sharia-compliant small case available, the Green Portfolio Ethical Small Case. But now we have more Sharia-based small cases, which have just launched, giving ethical investors more diversified options to invest in India's equity markets. So in this video, we will explore about the fund manager, the small cases which are available, what they invest in, who manages them, and also how you can start your journey today. Hello everyone, my name is Latish and I help investors build ethical Sharia compliant portfolios using mutual funds, ETFs and now even small cases. So if you are new here, make sure to hit subscribe and join our community of investors. And if you're looking for help in terms of building your own portfolio or want to explore these small cases directly, use the link in the description to start investing. Or you can also contact me on the number which you see on the screen. Let's begin by understanding what is a small case. If you are new to small cases, think of them as a basket of stocks or ETFs built across a theme or strategy. They are managed by SEBI Registered Analyst. You can invest directly from brokers like Zerodha, Grow or HDFC Securities. Unlike mutual funds, you own the stocks yourself in your demat account. So there is full transparency. Here you can see on the screen the differences between a small case and also a mutual fund. What you should be aware of when you're looking at investing in small cases when compared to mutual funds. You can pause the video and go through all the details which you see from this Kotak Securities site. In terms of the investments, usually they range between 30 to 60,000 for a small case. Portfolios are rebalanced monthly, quarterly or based on when it is required. There is a small subscription fees along with the brokerage and the taxes which you will be paying. You can even set up a SIP for systematic investment, but remember, with small cases, you stay in control of every buy and sell. Only that you need to follow based on whatever rebalances the fund manager suggests to you. Now, before we deep dive into the small case itself, let's understand who will manage this. Both of these new small cases are managed by Zamzam Capital. This is led by Saif Ahmed. A quick background about Saif from the website. He has nearly 25 years of experience, worked with Wall Street with Merrill Lynch, also worked in Kuwait with Islamic investment banks under Kuwait Finance House, which is world's second largest Islamic bank. After he was back in India, he has set up some of these institutions which you see on the screen, which are India's first registered Sharia-compliant chit fund, which disbursed around 80 crores, and also has conducted Islamic banking programs in IIM Kashipur and Great Lakes Institute of Management. Today, as a founder of Zamzam Capital, he runs one of India's Sharia-compliant stock research firms. Also, you can see the website here of Zamzam Capital, in which you can also find the free halal stock list, which is updated every 6 months. So that's a brief about the fund manager who will be managing these small cases. The existing Sharia-compliant fund. Till now, the only Sharia-compliant small case which was available in India was Green Portfolio, and I have also made a video about it in the past. They've also focused on ethical businesses screened for Sharia compliance. It gave investors exposure to a mix of large and mid-cap Indian companies along with a range of small caps who follow the Sharia investing principles. Now with Zamzam Capital's two new offerings, you finally have a broader, diversified Sharia-compliant equity universe, which also invests in thematic like infrastructure. So let's understand these two new Sharia small cases. The first is Zamzam Capital's Shariah Infra Tracker. This is designed to give exposure to India's booming infrastructure sector. It's built using a sector tracker strategy, focusing only on companies driving India's physical growth story. Think of energy, power, telecom, ports, roads, logistics, cement and constructions, all carefully filtered for Sharia compliance. The idea here is simple: to benefit from India's massive infrastructure push while staying aligned with ethical investing principles. How are these stocks selected? Based on three key factors: momentum, quality, and liquidity. The portfolio usually will hold 15 to 20 stocks, balancing between large, mid, and small cap. They benchmark the Nifty 500 index. It follows a monthly rebalance, ensuring that holdings stay aligned with sector trends and also price momentum. The strategy combines fundamental strength with technical momentum, which helps capture strong trends early while managing risk. The recommended horizon is medium term, which is 1 to 3 years. So it's ideal for investors who want exposure in India's capex cycle without compromising their Sharia principles. The second small case is Zamzam Capital's Sharia Leaders Smart Beta. And this one takes a broader, more long-term approach. It's based on a strategy which is the Smart Beta, meaning it doesn't just pick biggest companies, it picks the best performers within each key sectors. This small case focuses on top 1 or 2 market leaders across major sectors, which are manufacturing, consumption, industrials, technology, exports, the businesses that are truly driving India's growth. Each company is screened for Sharia compliance, financial strength, low debt, and strong market leadership. The goal here with this small case is to build a diversified, high quality portfolio that reflects the Indian growth story, but done ethically. It will typically hold 20 to 25 stocks, rebalanced again monthly, and this will also be benchmarked with Nifty 500 index. This small case is designed for long-term investors, those who want to build wealth steadily over 3 years or more through a disciplined but factored based process. If the Infra Tracker small case is about sectorial growth, this smart beta is about owning India's top performing ethical leaders. Now let's understand what are the things which you should be aware of and the risks when you're investing in small case. Small cases are not mutual funds. You own the stocks directly, so market fluctuations will impact your returns. There are subscription fees, brokerages, and taxes which you should be aware of. You should stay invested, like I have mentioned, for at least 3 to 5 years to see meaningful results. Rebalancing isn't automatic. When the manager publishes a monthly rebalance, you will receive a notification. So you will need to log in and execute those buy or sell orders to keep your portfolio updated. So if you're someone who prefers buy and forget, this isn't it. Small cases work best when you stay engaged and follow the rebalancing discipline consistently. The next question you might have is, how do I invest? To start investing, it's very simple. What you will need to have is a demat account and savings account. Post that, you will need to complete the KYC. If you have accounts with any of the brokers, like I've mentioned, Zerodha, Grow, HDFC, Kotak, once you have it, you can click on the small case link which I have mentioned in the description. Then you can choose the small case which I have referred, which is Infra Tracker or Smart Beta. I have shared both the links in the description. Then you can invest based on two strategies. One can be a one-time or an SIP. And that's it. You directly own these Sharia compliant stocks in your demat account. You can even set up a monthly SIP to automate your investing journey. Here you can see the details on the screen of the website and also the small cases which I have mentioned in this video. If you are looking for help in terms of choosing between these two small cases or looking for a personalized plan combining mutual funds and small cases for your goals, you can always reach out to me at the number which you see on the screen. Also, you will find the WhatsApp link in the description. If you're already ready to start and have a demat account, just click on the small case link which I have mentioned. It will take directly to the platform where you can begin investing ethically today. So a summary for this video, these two new small cases are a great step forward for ethical investors in India. More choice, more themes, and more ways to grow your wealth without compromising your values. As always, this video is for educational purpose only and not investment advice. Do your own due diligence, stay diversified, and invest for long term. Until next time, this is Latish signing off. Stay ethical, stay invested, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.